a dip powder full set. What you doing? But I still use acrylic to adhere the nail to my nail. Hey guys, Jess here. Welcome back to my channel. Today continues my maintenance week for my nails. So I'm going to do a dip powder full set. For those of you that are already a part of the family, I'd like to thank you very much. However, if you are not, what you doing? Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell as well. So without further ado, I will not hold you any longer. Let's get into it. And into it we are. So as you can see, I set up my station here. I will link everything in the comments or either the description of everything. I know most of you are going to be like, where did that beautiful flowery dapping dish come? Amazon. The 4 bottles to you're right, my lip Amazon. Okay, that. So this is the second time that I have done dip powder nails. My first full set, and I'll put it on the screen, preferably over those nail files really quickly. My 1 year on YouTube video from earlier this year, March. I had did my first set then. And what I like to do here is take you guys through my process of how I like to do my nails. So essentially, I am just prepping the nails, making sure they're free of shine. And then after I'm done buffing and filing them, and of course I started out with clipping them down as much as I didn't want to, because I love my natural nail growth. That had to happen in order for this to work out. Then next, I am going to go in with primer, just as if I was laying acrylic. But I like to size my nails first. So these are from eBay. These are the full cover coffin nails, but these are like the medium length. I really don't like my nails to be too long, only because for those of you that know, and for those of you that don't know, I like working with my hands a whole lot. Doing my hair, I need that I need that accessibility to be able to go and do my hair and braid my hair. Hair braiders understand what I'm talking about because I'm licensed to braid hair. I just only braid mine at the moment. So after going in with, let's see here, primer. If I haven't showed it to you guys will see it. I'm going in here with this liquid monomer. Now I have really cut down on the usage of me using monomer just because the smell is crazy. I mean, I had looked at dip powder before years ago, but I figured the powder that was dip powder wasn't acrylic at all. So I just figured this is not going to work out well. Well, recently in past months, I decided to get back into it early this year, and it has been a godsend because I can't lay acrylic to save my life. There goes the primer. And I'm going in with No Lift Nails nail powder, and I think it was Super Nail, the monomer. So what I like to do, instead of the traditional method of putting on tips, I'm not using tips, I'm using full cover tips because I want everything to be smooth. But I still use acrylic to adhere the nail to my nail. I first found out about this, and I'll link it in the top right. Go ahead and give it a go right now. Savannah Silver. When I found out there was a such thing as you could do your nails and apply them with acrylic. instead of the traditional nail glue, because sometimes you'll put nails on with glue and they won't last long enough no matter how much primer you do. I want them to stay for at least 3 to 4 weeks. This is the method I use. I have nail glue, like if I want to make repairs or something to a nail or something, but for the most part this is how I put them on. And I have stopped using nail tips. I don't know what I'm going to do with the nail tips, spare nail tips I have, but I'm using full cover nails here, and they're the perfect length because my natural nails have grown to this point. Eating lots of protein, just in case you wonder. That is how I'm putting them on. I'm taking a moment to dip my number 8 brush, that's what that is, into the dapping dish there that looks like a flower, and I'm just putting it on the nail first and then onto my nail after I get it flat enough, and I'm applying it each to my nails. Now normally sometimes I'll do it where I'm, you know, index finger, middle finger. Sometimes I do one hand at a time. Sometimes I do it how you guys are seeing here. But ultimately, there's a method to the madness. This has been a godsend because I remember, do you know how much money it costs to get your nails done at a salon? When I found out about dip powder, I'm just like, oh my goodness, this is a godsend. I stopped going to the salons. Now this is a drill I've gotten as well, Amazon, just like you see in everything else. And I added some spice to the look with 2 encapsulated index fingernails. Hair next. And until next time, and until the next video.